Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Instagram as a beginners. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to use Instagram as a beginner very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Google Play Store, and in the search bar search for Instagram and install that application into your device. And after installing, tap on open, and after opening the Instagram, create an Instagram account. And if you already have an Instagram account, then log in into it. And in the Instagram homepage, you'll be able to see the post and the reels. And here in this line, you'll be able to see the stories of people you follow. And if you tap on this heart icon, then you'll be able to see the notifications. And if you tap on this icon which is next to the heart icon, then you'll be able to see the DMs, and you can text your friends and families, or you can video call or audio call to your friends. And if you want to add a story, then you have to tap on this plus icon. Then you can select any photos from your gallery, or you can just tap on the camera and click the quick photo and add your story. And if you want to search your friends, then you have to tap on the search icon, and in the search bar enter the username of your friends. And after entering the username, you have to tap on follow icon, then you'll be able to follow people on Instagram. And here if you tap on this plus icon, then you'll be able to create a post. And if you want to post the photos more than one, then you have to tap on select multiple and choose photos that you like. And after choosing, tap on next. And here by tapping on this icon, you'll be able to customize the ratio of your photos, and you can add some filters also. And if you want to add some music, then you have to tap on this icon and search any music that you like, and tap on tick icon and tap on next. And you can write any captions that you like, and after writing you can tap on share, then you'll be able to create your post. And here if you tap on this icon, then you'll be able to watch reels. And if you tap on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner, then you'll be able to see your profiles. And if you tap on this icon, then you'll be able to see your post that you have posted. And if you tap on this icon, then you'll be able to see your reels that you have posted. And if you tap on this icon, then you'll be able to see the photos or posts that you are tagged in. And here by default you can get some suggestions to follow. And if you tap on edit profile, then you can edit your name, username, or if you want to add some bio, then you can enter any bio that you like. And if you are a creators, or if you have any business, then you can link your business link by tapping on add link. And if you have any YouTube channels, then you can link your channels also. And if you want to switch to professional account, then you have to tap on this option. And by tapping on this icon, you'll be able to add highlights to your profile. And if you tap on this three horizontal line, then you'll be able to see the settings and activity panel. From here you can customize your account as you like or as you need. So this is how you can use Instagram as a beginners. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.